Guys, he interrupted. Okay, for example. Okay, hider. What? Bro! What happened here? Bro is a hacker. Okay, hider guys, today we're gonna be doing something. What? Something? Game. Why is it called game? Bruh. Why are there always hackers, guys? This should I'm gonna do this. He's bad. Bruh. Ooh, team fight. It's free. But game, it's not. No one is joining. How are they even up? What? What? Who? My face is secret hacker. Why is he saying like that? What? Oh, I just saw. I kept seeing everyone. Uh-oh, I'm cold. Ah! What is wrong with them? Why are they there? I have to go there. I feel like joining or respawning helps us know where the players are. Why can't I solve? I thought I can spawn. They are bad. How am I killing others? How did I die? Is that a mob? My face is secret hacker. Why am I always killing a lot of people? It's kind of embarrassing though. So it's Let me use this. I don't care if I don't care if it's. Why do I always keep crashing, guys? Why? Why? What the? I'm struggling. Okay, what the? Oh, it's him. He's playing too much. Bro, just what? How did I die? Why are there hackers in my team? That is not good. But I will get money. I will use a car. I don't care. I will use a car, guys. So I'm gonna do something. Oh, it's him. Ah, bad. She's bad. No one's here. They are so cooked. Yeah. What? Okay, I killed a lot of people. Where's he? What? Oh no, he left the game. No, this is gonna be a fair game. Angry Rooster, is he on my team? Who is on my team? Oh, he's on my team. Okay, guys, people are laughing in my house, so whatever. Joined. Why is her name Dodge? What? I'm just gonna hide. What the? What are they doing? Guys, what are you doing? How did I not kill him? Show kick alerts. I'm not gonna play this ever again. Stop. Let me do some no kill. No kill shutdown. WSP. What is that? What is WSP? Oh, it's him. No one is cool here, so I'm gonna leave. No one is cool here. Because they suck at this. No kill shutdown. No kill bros. Yeah, we should take a picture. This is this is different. So, what the? It's just a micro inconsistent. Why are there cages? Is someone meant to be in here? Am I meant to be in here? What is he doing? Scary egg. Bro, I am not a scary egg. Never mind. Never mind. Who? He's a scary egg. Hurry, Cad. What? Why am I laggy? I'm just gonna cheat. Discombobulate. This was 1 billion. I'm trapped. He is trapped. No. Why do I have to do this? Wait. Why do I have to do this? Mineral microscope. How do I even say that? Whatever. I'm gonna put my guns here. What? Okay, I'm gonna play Gorebox. If you don't know this game, you should probably play it because this is very awesome. But sometimes there's a lot of people this gonna be like. Okay, wait, I'm gonna do a divine duel. One divine duel and shadow mutant. Okay, what am I? Bro is so close. Why is his eyes red? He's so cool. He also lost a limb. Oh, all of them died. What's 6? Cool. So, we're fighting. Okay, bye guys. Today it's a wonderful day.